Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the recently popular game STEPN. So what is STEPN? It is a NFT game which is built on top of Web 3.0. It is sometimes we also call it a GameFi or game finance. People also call it play to earn or move to earn. So before I talk about step N, there are some concepts I want to run through with you guys. So first, what is Web 3.0? So as we all know, we are in the area of Web 2.0 at the moment. So most of the website we are using daily, like Google or some of the news website, the CNN or BBC. All these are website hosted on one server or a centralized location. So on the other hand, what is Web 3.0? It is a semantic web. Data are interconnected in a decentralized manner, which means this Web 3.0 are built on top of decentralized protocols such as blockchains, cryptocurrency technology. Then to talk about cryptocurrency, which we have to come to the exchange. It's just like a stock exchange. This exchange help you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So for you to own it before you can do anything in the Web 3.0 world. So some of the most popular exchange like Gemini, Crypto.com, Binance, etc. Okay, so where is STEPN built on? So STEPN is built on top of Solana. Solana is a cryptocurrency by itself, but it declares to be highly scalable against the huge amount of transactions. So if you see this table compares Solana with Ethereum, Binance Smart Contract, Smart Chain, and the others, you can see the number of transactions per second Solana can handle is relatively high, as well as the cost is low. So I think that's why STEPN is built on top of Solana. But recently, it also create another channel on top of BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. Later I will explain what is the reason behind that. Okay, so GameFi, as I explained just now, it is a game finance. So people play games for finance, means they play for money. They can earn money while having fun. Um, of course, these games are built with the NFT technology, or sometimes we call it token economics. Yeah. Okay, so what is STEPN? It is move to earn. So people, players who bought the NFT token, which is in STEPN, is sneakers. So when they walk, they will get GST, the crypto token owned by STEPN. They will get rewarded from that. Then they can also use this GST to reinvest into the game for upgrading their sneakers or mint for new sneakers. Of course, they can also convert this to USDC and also to other cryptocurrencies, transfer it out to exchange and sell it or exchange to fiat money. That's how they earn for cash. Yeah. So how to play the game? Let me quickly run through the process or the flow I have experienced. Um, okay, at the point I also want to mention why I tried STEPN. So as you all know, this whole Web 3.0 cryptocurrency NFT concept is popular the among around the world actually. Anyone, I think you heard it from your friends who is buying and selling, buying NFT. So to me, it's like a fear to be missing out, like FOMO. So I started to try this out. now let me talk about how to play the game. So, if you are new to the whole cryptocurrency world, um, this may be a step-by-step guide for you. Um, so first, you have to download the STEPN app from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Then you need to get the activation code, either from your friends or from the game forums. It's quite easy now because there are quite a lot of activation code flowing around. Okay, then you have to set up your cryptocurrency exchange account for you to be able to transfer money from your bank into the crypto world. For me, I choose Gemini and Crypto.com because both of these are uh, regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. By the way, I'm located in Singapore. So then after that, you can deposit your money into these accounts or wallet in this crypto exchange. Once that's done, then you can start to buy your Solana. So you need Solana to buy the STEPN NFT, the shoes. Then after that, you need to transfer the Solana into STEPN wallet. Uh, Here is a tip. So for you to actually be able to transfer money from crypto exchange to STEPN wallet, you need to add STEPN wallet address into the cryptocurrency account, which could take you quite some time. For me, Gemini took me 7 days, and Crypto.com only took me 1 day. So it's up to you to choose and compare. Then after your address is approved by those exchange, then you can transfer your Solana into the STEPN spending account. Then before you can actually buy it, you have to again move the money from spending account to the from the STEPN wallet to its spending account. Then you can buy shoes in STEPN cards. After you buy the shoes, then you can start to walk. STEPN tracking your walking by GPS, so it's better for you to walk outdoor instead of walking in the indoor or shopping malls. It may not work. Okay, so once you earn your GST from STEPN, then you can actually convert it to USDC and transfer back to your crypto exchange account. Then further transfer it back to your bank accounts. Okay, so that's how you play the game. Then the most concerns people has at these days is that whether STEPN is a Ponzi scheme or not. So what is a Ponzi scheme? So Ponzi, or sometimes we call it pyramid scheme, is nothing but rewarding early investors with money taken from later investors, and the scheme itself does not create any value by itself. So then the question comes to STEPN is that, is this the same model? Is this your business model? So it appears to be like currently the model is the new investors, how they get their token is actually the money coming from the later investors. So that's also why STEPN keep expanding its channels to new cryptocurrency so they can acquire new players, as well as keep changing the rules to reduce the output of walking. So they are trying to make the scheme sustainable for a longer time. But if you look at the business model at this moment, there's no value created from the game. So the only income of people, the way of people earning money is still from the new investors. That's a big concern. So when to exit if it is a Ponzi and you are already in the game? So the obvious solution is that when the user increasement or the user acquisition is slowed down, then it's time for you to exit. Okay, thanks for your listening.